Governor Hickenlooper outlines his proposal for health care reform. I'm Alan Janae. Our Democratic governor teamed up with Republican John Kasich to draft a plan that 4 other governors also signed. Our political specialist, Sean Boyd, is covering Colorado First at the state capitol today. It's a big deal here. So what's the priority in this plan?
Well, Alan, stabilizing the individual marketplace is the priority. In Colorado, there are 14 counties where there are only 1 insurer left. The governor emphasized this is just the first step in dealing with a very complex issue. Among Hickenlooper and Kasich's recommendations, Congress continue funding what's known as the cost-sharing reduction payments, money to help low and middle income people afford insurance. They also want Congress to allow people in counties where there are few or no insurers to access the same insurance program federal workers have. They say Congress should leave in place the mandate that everyone has insurance for now and make it more difficult for people to only buy insurance when they're sick. They also want states to have the ability to waive certain provisions of the Affordable Care Act and enact their own plans as long as they don't increase the number of insured, costs, or the deficit. And they say Congress should create websites that allow people to compare costs and quality of health care providers.
They're in jeopardy from a variety of different directions. I look at how much time Kyle Brown and our team spent on this with Governor Kasich's team and talking to all these other governors, and just to find common ground in this relatively narrow part of the issue took all of our time and all of our effort.
Okay. Governor Hickenlooper and Governor Kasich will testify before a U.S. Senate committee a week from today. We're live at the Capitol. Sean Boyd covering Colorado First.
Sean, there is a lot to it. Thank you very much. We have posted the governor's letter outlining the entire proposal at cbsdenver.com.